Hello, welcome back. So I'm facing one error related to the stock transfer order. I have done certain configuration where I have created a new document type in purchase requisition uh, to have a separate document type for stock transfer order. So whenever I am giving a reference of purchase requisition and trying to create a purchase order with the stock transfer order, so I will show you my purchase requisition as well. So I have created a separate document type for UB stock kind of stock transfer order, and this PR is generated for from MRP. But whenever I'm trying to create a purchase order with reference to the same purchase requisition that is related to stock transfer order, I am getting one error, and that error message is this: document type item category UB uh, purchase requisition, and this double-sided arrow UB purchase order U or UB or U, and message number is 06054. What it means? The purchase requisition of document type UB or item category U may not be assigned to the purchase order document type UB or U. So how to resolve this error? To resolve this error, we have to do a right configuration for the purchase order document type. So how to solve this? So I will go to the configuration in OLME, or you can go to the SPRO MM and then purchasing. Under purchasing, we have purchase order here. In purchase order, we have a document type for purchase order. But before that, I will show purchase requisition document types as well. So here document type for purchase requisition. So I have created this UB, and if I go to the link requisitions, so I have this UB stock type for U here. So this is the sorry. Yeah, I have created all this for only stock transfer. This document type UB. Okay. So I have removed rest. All will be the stock transfer only. Then this is not linked. So now I will go in purchase order. So if I go into the define document types for purchase order, so in this UB, that is a stock transfer order, and if I go into the linked purchase requisition document type here, if I see I only have UB, and here item category is U, but for this UB here item category I haven't mentioned, so I should have an entry with UB item category U here, and the second item category, that is right, but document type. So what is missing here? You, to resolve error, you should copy this entry, then just add here also item category U, because that will be stock transfer from PR and stock transfer for PO, and then save it. So this is the linkage UB account assignment, sorry, item category U to the item category U, and that's the reason we were facing that error about document type U, and U were not assigned. So now what I will do, I have done configuration, so I will go back in PO screen, and I will recreate this PO again, and will verify whether this issue is resolved or not. So then again I will give a reference of purchase requisition here, same purchase requisition, and I will change document type to UB. Okay, so this time you see, now I am not getting that particular error about the assignment. There are different error, but that's fine, that I can check later. But this is how we solve that document type assignment error. In case you are creating your own document type, you should assign item categories as well. So This is the way we can resolve this by assigning those item categories. So thanks for watching and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye.